सप्तमोऽध्यायः ध्यानम्। ॐ ध्यायेयं रत्नपीठे शुककलफटिकं शृण्वतीं श्यामलाङ्गीं न्यस्तैकाङ्ग्रीं सरोजे शशिशकलधरां वल्लकीं वादयन्तीं कल्हाराबद्धमालां नियमितविलसच्चोलिकां रक्तवस्त्रां मातङ्गीं शङ्खपात्रां मधुरमधुमदां चित्रकोद्भासिबालाम्। ॐ ऋषिरुवाच आज्ञप्तास्ते ततो दैत्याश्चण्डमुण्डपुरोगमाः चतुरङ्गबलोपेता ययुरभ्युद्यदायुधाः ददृशुस्ते ततो देवीमीषद्धासां व्यवस्थितां सिंहस्योपरि शैलेन्द्रशृङ्गे महति काञ्चने ते दृष्ट्वा तां समादातुमुद्यमं चक्रुरुध्यताः आकृष्टचापासितरास्तथान्ये तत्समीपगाः ततः कोपं चकारोच्चैरम्बिका तानरीं प्रति कोपेन चास्या वदनं मषीवर्णमभूत्तदा भ्रुकुटीकुटिला तस्या ललाटफलकाधृतं कालीकरालवदना विनिष्क्रान्तासि पाशिनी विचित्रकट्वाङ्गदरा नरमाला विभूषणा द्वीपिचर्मपरीदाना शुष्कमांसाधिभैरवा अतिविस्तारवदना जिह्वाललनभीषणा निमग्ना रक्तनयना नादापूरितधिङ्मुखा। सा वेगेनाभिपतिता घातयन्ती महासुरान् सा वेगेनाभिपतिता घातयन्ती महासुरान् सैन्ये तत्र सुरारीणाम् अभक्षयत तद्बलम् सैन्ये तत्र सुरारीणाम् अभक्षयत तद्बलम् सा वेगेनाभिपतिता घातयन्ती महासुरान् सैन्ये तत्र सुरारीणाम् अभक्षयत तद्बलम्
सा वेगेनाभिपतिता घातयन्ती महासुरान् सैन्ये तत्र सुरारीणाम् अभक्षयत तद्बलम्
Sa vegena pipatita. Swiftly she fell down on the army. Just imagine how big she is. She just quickly she fell down on the army. Gatayanti Mahasura. Everything went inside. She slew them and devoured them, ate them. So Gatayanti, Gataya means killing them. Gatayanti, all the Asuras, she killed them first. Sainye tatra surarinam. Surari is enemies of gods. Enemies of God. Sainye tatra, the entire army, she battered and she ate. Abhakshayata. Abhakshayata means she ate. She devoured everything. Tad bhalam. Bhalam here is their army. So she fell on the army, killed everyone at once and ate everybody immediately. Swiftly, everything was done so quick. I mean, she takes only 4 attempts. One attempt is elephants. The other attempt is cavalry. Then charioteers and then the infantry. So only 4 attempts she finishes everybody. So the first she falls on them and she eats everybody in that. Next one I will just split and tell because it is continuously like that where you have to take a break. Parshni Graha Ankusha Grahi is one word. So when you have to say Parshni Graha Ankusha Grahi. Parshni Graha Ankusha Grahi Yodha Ghanta Samanvita. Okay, split it like that. Parshni Graha Ankusha Grahi Yodha Ghanta Samanvitam. Okay, when you say it together, Parshni Graha Ankusha Grahi
Graham Kushagrahi Parshni Graham Kushagrahi
Yodha Ghanta Samanvitam.
Yodha Ghanta Samanvitam Yodha Ghanta
Samanvitam only, sorry. Samanvitam.
Yodha Ghanta Samanvitam Yodha Ghanta Samanvitam
Parshni Graham Kushagrahi Yodha Ghanta Samanvitam.
Parshni Graham Kushagrahi Yodha Ghanta Samanvitam Parshni Graham Kushagrahi Yodha Ghanta Samanvitam
Samadhayaika Hastena.
Samadhayaika Hastena Samadhayaika Hastena
Mukhe Chikshepa Varanan.
Mukhe Chikshepa Varanan Mukhe Chikshepa Varanan
Samadhayaika Hastena Mukhe Chikshepa Varanan.
Samadhayaika Hastena Mukhe Chikshepa Varanan Samadhayaika Hastena Mukhe Chikshepa Varanan
Parshni Graham Kushagrahi Yodha Ghanta Samanvitan Samadhayaika Hastena Mukhe Chikshepa Varanan.
Parshni Graham Kushagrahi Yodha Ghanta Samanvitan Samadhayaika Hastena Mukhe Chikshepa Varanan Parshni Graham Kushagrahi Yodha Ghanta Samanvitan Samadhayaika Hastena Mukhe Chikshepa Varanan.
So the army, how the fourfold army is placed. First infantry will be standing and then the charioteers will be there, then horses will be there. and end will be elephants. Rearmost side, end will be elephants, because they actually guard anybody from attacking from behind, because they are huge. This is how the army is normally arranged. Pashni means the rear of the army. She just puts her hand behind in the end, so she can take everything out in one go. So what she does, Pashni Graha. Graha means seizing everybody, seizing. Ankusha Grahi. Elephants normally, like, elephant when they come for battle, one driver will be there, Mohot will be there to control the elephant, and one will be fighting, sitting on top of the elephant and fighting. Ankusha Grahi is the one who is driving the elephant. Ankusha, he is holding an ankusham, to control the elephant. So Ankusha Grahi means the elephant driver. Yodha, the warrior who is sitting on the elephant. Ghanta, the bell that is hanging around the neck of that elephant. All together, Samanvidam. All together. She took everything. Samadhaya Ekahastena. Ekahastena. One hand only she used. Entire thing, one hand she used. Mukhe Chikshepa. She put everything in one go into her mouth. Varanan means elephants. Okay, Mukhe Chiksheba, the elephants with its driver and the warrior sitting on top of it, and the bell that is hung around the neck of the elephant. Everything, Yeka Hastena, in one hand she took everything and put it in the mouth. How huge, like, attacking the rear guard first, no? So she can take the entire thing in one go. She attacked the rear guard. Tathaiva yodham turagai.
Tathaiva yodham turagai. Tathaiva yodham turagai.
Ratham sarathina saha.
Ratham sarathina saha. Ratham sarathina saha.
Tathaiva yodham turagai ratam sarathina saha.
Tathaiva yodham turagai ratham sarathina saha. Tathaiva yodham turagai ratham sarathina saha.
Nikshipya bhaktre dashanaihi.
Nikshipya vaktre dashanaihi. Nikshipya vaktre dashanaihi.
Charvantyantyathi bhairavam.
Charvayantyati bhairavam. Charvayantyati bhairavam.
Nikshipya bhaktre dashanais charvayantyati bhairavam.
Nikshipya vaktre dashanais charvayantyati bhairavam. Nikshipya vakre dashanais charvayantyati bhairavam.
Tathaiva yodham turagai ratham sarathina saha. Nikshipya vaktre dashanais charvayantyati bhairavam.
Tathaiva yodham turagai ratham sarathina saha. Nikshipya vaktre dashanais charvayantyati bhairavam. Tathaiva yodham turagai ratham sarathina saha. Nikshipya vaktre dashanais charvayantyati bhairavam.
In the same manner, tathaiva yodham turagai. Turagai means horses. So the cavalry with the warrior sitting on the cavalry, horses. Cavalry means horses with its warriors, okay. Ratham Sarathi, the one who is driving the chariots, all together. Nikshipya vaktre dasame. She puts everything, she threw them inside. Nikshipya means everyone was thrown inside her mouth. Vaktre dashanais charvayantyati bhairavam. Her fierce teeth ground them She furiously ground everything with her teeth. Dashaka is charvayat. Charvayati means chewing and powdering it. Ati Bhairavam, like her terrifying teeth, that also looked Ati Bhairavam, and the way she was eating everything was Ati Bhairavam. So she put everything in her mouth and she started chewing it. You have to understand, now in the 11th, this is the 11th one, no? Again in the 13th one they will say Dashanais. I will explain why they are that chewing and grinding the teeth like a mill, like why they have mentioned it particularly for her. Okay, that we will see it once we finish that. 13th also will come, I think 15th or 17th again it will come. After that I will explain that. Ekam jagraha keseshu.
Ekam jagraha kesheshu. Ekam jagraha kesheshu.
Grivayamata chaparam.
Grivayamata chaparam. Grivayamata chaparam.
Ekam jagraha kesheshu. Grivayamasa chaparam.
Ekam jagraha kesheshu. Grivayamata chaparam. Ekam jagraha kesheshu. Grivayamata chaparam.
Padena kramya chaivanyam.
Padena kramya chaivanyam. Padena kramya chaivanyam.
Urasanyamapothayat.
Urasanyamapothayat. Urasanyamapothayat.
Padena kramya chaivanyam urasanyamapothayat.
Padena kramya chaivanyam urasanyamapothayat. Padena kramya chaivanyam urasanyamapothayat.
Ekam jagraha kesheshu grivayamath chaparam. Padena kramya chaivanyam urasanyamapothayat.
Ekam jagraha kesheshu grivayamata chaparam. Padena kramya chaivanyam urasanyamapothayat. Ekam jagraha kesheshu grivayamata chaparam. Padena kramya chaivanyam urasanyamapothayat.
Now only infantry is left, all the others are gone. So she catches one by the hair. Ekam jagraha. Jagraha means caught. Keseshu, caught one by hair. Grivayamada chaparam. And some other she caught them by throat. Some by their hair, some by their throat. Padhena kramya chaivanyam. She crushed few with her feet. Padhena kramya chaivanyam. Urasanyam apothayat. She beat few on her chest and killed them. See, there are, like, how many ways she has killed the infantry people. There she beat, slammed them on her, against her breast, and she killed them. So, urasa means broad, strong breast. Pothayata means kill. Okay. Padhena kramya, crushing with the foot. Okay. Tairmuktani cha sastrani.
Tairmuktani cha shastrani. Tairmuktani cha shastrani.
Mahastrani tatha suraihi.
Mahastrani tatha suraihi. Mahastrani tatha suraihi.
Tairmuktani cha shastrani. Mahastrani tatha suraihi.
Tairmuktani cha shastrani. सहस्राणि महास्त्राणि तथासुरैः तैर्मुक्तानि च शस्त्राणि महास्त्राणि तथासुरैः
मुखेन जग्राहरुषा
मुखेन जग्राहरुषा मुखेन जग्राहरुषा
दशनैर्मथितान्यपि
दशनैर्मथितान्यपि दशनैर्मथितान्यपि
मुखेन जग्राहरुषा दशनैर्मथितान्यपि
मुखेन जग्राहरुषा दशनैर्मथितान्यपि मुखेन जग्राहरुषा दशनैर्मथितान्यपि
तैर्मुक्तानि च शस्त्राणि महास्त्राणि तथासुरैः मुखेन जग्राहरुषा दशनैर्मथितान्यपि
तैर्मुक्तानि च शस्त्राणि महास्त्राणि तथासुरैः मुखेन जग्राहरुषा दशनैर्मथितान्यपि तैर्मुक्तानि च शस्त्राणि महास्त्राणि तथासुरैः मुखेन जग्राहरुषा दशनैर्मथितान्यपि.
So the asuras, the left out asuras are not keeping silent. They were hurling upon her lot of missiles, arrows, everything, whatever they were getting in their weapons, they were throwing at her. All the thing. Mukhena jagraha. She took everything in her mouth. Rusha dashanair matitanyabi. Angrily she churned everything, ground everything in her mouth. Dashanair means teeth, grinding with the teeth. Okay, she is matita means churning and grinding it, powdering it. She ground everything with her teeth. Angrily she was churning her mouth. Okay. Balinam tad balam sarvam.
Balinam tad balam sarvam. Balinam tad balam sarvam.
Asuranam duratmanam.
Asuranam duratmanam. Asuranam duratmanam.
Balinam tad balam sarvam asuranam duratmanam.
Balinam tad balam sarvam asuranam duratmanam. Balinam tad balam sarvam asuranam duratmanam.
Mamarda bhakshayachanyan.
Mamarda bhakshayachanyan. Mamarda bhakshayachanyan.
Anyams chatadayat tatha.
Anyam shadadayat tata.
Thadayat tatha. That is thadayati. Thadayat. Anyams cha thadayat tatha. Okay. So mamarda bhakshayachanyan. Anyams chatadayat tatha.
Mamarda bhakshayachanyan anyam shadadayat tata. Mamarda bhakshayachanyan anyam shadadayat tata. Anyam shadadayat tata.
Thadayat tatha. Thadayat. Thadayati is the word. Thadayati is the word. So thadayat tatha. Okay. Anyams cha thadayat tatha. Okay. That is like, it is a tongue twister. That is why I try and split it and tell you so you can understand. So, ardhati, mamardhati, abhakshaya, anyamscha, thadayat tada. See how many ways she killed them. That is what it is. Balinam tad balam sarvam asuranam duratmanam. Mamarda bhakshayachanyan anyamscha thadayat tada.
Balinam tad तद्बलं सर्वमसुराणां दुरात्मनां ममर्दा भक्षयच्चान्यान् अन्यां शाताडयत्
Very good, very good. This is how you have to split it. Anyamscha tadayathata. Then it will
Here
be.
it is given nanyamscha, like they have joined.
That is what. It is all in one go.
English also it is entire one word.
So that is the reason I split. Sanskrit it is like it is full line. You should know where.
Only Tata is separate.
Nanyam only. See, when you say it together, it will become Nanyam. Now, when you are splitting and learning, I am saying Anyam. That is it. Otherwise, it will, when you say it, Mamarda bhakshayachanyan anyamschatadayattada. It comes like that. So, normally that will come as na only when you say it. Okay. You want me to repeat that one? So, you can repeat it. Balinam tadbalam sarvam asuranam duratmanam mamarda bhakshayaschanyan anyamschatadayatthada.
Balinam tadbalam sarvamasuranam duratmanam mamarda bhakshayachanyan anyamschatadayatthada. Balinam tadbalam sarvamasuranam duratmanam mamarda bhakshayachanyan anyamschatadayatthada.
Now you got it. Okay. So Balinam Tadbalam Saram. The army with it is a mighty army. Balina means it is a very strong army. Balam Sarvam. All the entire army. Duratmanam, the Asura which contains of Asuras mainly. Duratmanam, they are all evil-natured Asuras. Mamarda Abhakshaya, she ravaged them and she ate them, she devouring some. Abhakshayata, I told Bhakshayata, she killed them by eating them. And Anyamscha, some people, Thadayati, I told you, is beating or knocking somebody out. So she beat somebody and killed them. She devoured somebody and killed them. So all the entire mighty army of Chanda and Munda are getting ravaged by her completely. That is what different ways of her finishing off that infantry. That's it. Asina nihatah kechit.
Asina nihatah kechit. Asina nihatah kechit.
Kechit katvangataditaha.
Kechit katvangataditaha. Kechit katvangataditaha.
Asina nihatah kechit katvangataditaha.
Asina nihatah kechit katvangataditaha. Asina nihatah kechit katvangataditaha.
Jagmur vinashamasura.
Jagmur vinashamasura. Jagmur vinashamasura.
Dantagrabi hatasthata.
Dantagrabi hatasthata. Dantagrabi hatasthata.
Jagmur vinashamasura dantagrabi hatasthata.
Jagmur vinashamasura dantagrabi hatasthata. Jagmur vinashamasura dantagrabi hatasthata.
Asina nihatah kechit katvangataditaha. Jagmur vinashamasura dantagrabi hatasthata.
Asina nihatah kechit katvangataditaha. Jagmur vinashamasura dantagrabi hatasthata. Asina nihatah kechit katvangataditaha. Jagmur vinashamasura dantagrabi hatasthata.
So with her asina, with her sword she struck down. Nihata means she struck few of the asuras with her sword. And Kechit Katvangam, you know, we talked about the Katvangam that she had. A leg of the cot with the skull fitted on top of it. With that she beat few. Taditaha, she beat few of them with her strange looking Katvangam. Jagmur Vinasha Masura Dhanda Grabi Atastada. Some asuras met with death by being ground by her teeth. Dhanda Grabi means she met their destruction. Hatastata, they met their destruction being ground by her teeth. Kshanena tadbalam sarvam.
Kshanena tadbalam sarvam. Kshanena tadbalam sarvam.
Asuranam nipatitham.
Asuranam nipatitam. Asuranam nipatitam.
Kshanena tadbalam sarvam asuranam nipatitam.
Kshanena tadbalam sarvam asuranam nipatitam. Kshanena tadbalam sarvam asuranam nipatitam.
Drishtva chando bhidudrava.
Drishtva chando bidudrava. Drishtva chando bidudrava.
Tam kali mati bhishanam.
Tam kali mati bhishanam. Tam kali mati bhishanam.
Drishtva chando bhidudrava. Tam kali mati bhishanam.
Drishtva chando bidudrava. Tam kali mati bhishanam. Drishtva chando bidudrava. Tam kali mati bhishanam.
Kshanena tadbalam sarvam asuranam nipatitam. Drishtva chando bidudrava. Tam kali mati bhishanam.
Kshanena tadbalam sarvam asuranam nipatitam. Drishtva chando bidudrava. Tam kali mati bhishanam. Kshanena tadbalam sarvam asuranam nipatitam. Drishtva chando bidudrava. Tam kali mati bhishanam.
So when Chanda saw his entire army, Kshanena, in no time, very quickly, when they all fell down, in the sense the entire army was down. Very few are left behind. Entire army in no time, so swiftly it has happened. Drishtva abhidudrava means he rushed towards. When he saw his entire army being vanishing like that in no time, he rushed towards Kali, Ati Bhishana. She's terrifying looking Kali. Very terrifying. Bhishanam itself is terrifying looking. Ati Bhishana means very terrifying to look at. So he rushed, Abhidudrava means he rushed towards, he started rushing towards Kali. Okay? Sharavarshayir Mahabhimair.
Sharavarshayir Mahabhimair. Sharavarshayir Mahabhimair.
Bhimakshim Tam Mahasuraha.
Bhimakshim Tam Mahasuraha. Bhimakshim Tam Mahasuraha.
Sharavarshayir Mahabhimair. Bhimakshim Tam Mahasuraha.
Sharavarshayir Mahabhimair. Bhimakshim Tam Mahasuraha. Sharavarshayir Mahabhimair. Bhimakshim Tam Mahasuraha.
Chadayamasa Chakraischa.
Chadayamasa चक्रैश्च चादयामास चक्रैश्च
मुण्डः क्षिप्तैः सहस्रशः
मुण्डक्षिप्तैः सहस्रशः मुण्डक्षिप्तैः सहस्रशः
चादयामास चक्रैश्च मुण्डः क्षिप्तैः सहस्रशः
चाडयामास चक्रैश्च मुण्डक्षिप्रैः सहस्रशः चादयामास चक्रैश्च मुण्डक्षिप्रैः सहस्रशः
शरवर्षैर्महाभीमैर्भीमाक्षीं तां महासुरः चादयामास चक्रैश्च मुण्डः क्षिप्तैः सहस्रशः
शरवर्षैर्महाभीमैर्भीमाक्षीं तां महासुरः चादयामास चक्रैश्च मुण्डक्षिप्रैः सहस्रशः शरवर्षैर्महाभीमैर्भीमाक्षीं तां महासुरः चादयामास चक्रैश्च मुण्डक्षिप्रैः सहस्रशः.
So he started raining arrows at her. Sharavarshay, raining arrows at her. Bhima, very like fierce looking arrows he started showering at her. Bhimakshi, at whom? The one who has got a very, Bhimakshi means terrifying eyes. Bhima means making loud sound. She is scowling and like looking terrifying. Bhimakshim tam Mahasuraha. Chanda was raining arrows at her while Chadayamasa. Chadayati means covering her with so many arrows that it started covering her, concealing her. Chadayamasa. Chadayati means covering her, concealing her with his arrows. And Munda, what he does? Chakraischa chiltais sahasrasha. He aims thousands of disc, chakram at her. Thousands of them. One is raining arrows, the other one is sending thousands of chakram towards her, discs towards her. Tani chakranyanekani.
Tani chakranyanekani. Tani chakranyanekani.
Vishamanani tanmuham.
Vishamanani tanmukham. Vishamanani tanmukham.
Tani chakranyanekani. Vishamanani tanmukham.
Tani chakranyanekani. Vishamanani tanmukham. Tani chakranyanekani. Vishamanani tanmukham.
Babur yatharka bimbani.
Babhuryatarka bimbani. Babhuryatarka bimbani.
Subahoni ghanodaram.
Subahuni ghanodaram. Subahuni ghanodaram.
Babur yatharka bimbani subahoni ghanodaram.
Babhuryatarka bimbani subahuni ghanodaram. Babhuryatarka bimbani subahuni ghanodaram.
Tani chakranyanekani vishamanani tanmukham. Babhur yatharka bimbani subahoni ghanodaram.
Tani chakranyanekani vishamanani tanmukham. Babhuryatarka bimbani subahuni ghanodaram. विशमानानि तन्मुखम् बभुर्यथार्कबिम्बानि सुबहूनि घनोदरम्.
All the chakram discus, whatever was aimed at her, it all entered her mouth. Vishamanani tanmukam. It all entered her mouth. How it looked like. That is what is the next one. Babur yat arka bimbani. It looked like, arka means sun. It looked like sun disappearing, plenty of suns. It means his chakrams and all are very shining like sun. So this Subahuni, numerous suns orbs entering Ganodhara, dark dense clouds. When it enters, she is dark now. So when the suns disappear behind the dense clouds, that is how all the chakram that were aimed at her were disappearing into her mouth. It looked like, bimbani means it looked like that. It looked like all the chakram was entering her mouth, looked like all the solar orbs disappearing behind the dense clouds. I'll take a small break here and explain to you because why this binding, grinding, all those things are happening with her. Because it is only with Kali. If you say so, that amongst the entire, no, I am not finished yet, don't close the book. I am just giving a small this thing about, because you can place it well now when you say it in between. This is like, the most important of all chapters. 7th chapter is considered to be the most important of all chapters. Here I have told you there are like 11th, 13th, 15th, everywhere they were talking about grinding teeth and powdering it and things. Last time when I told like Kali means it is not only dark complexion, she's the controller of time. Kala, Mahakala, Kala's wife she is, Mahakala's wife she is Kali. She controls they both control the time. We all say time is a very good healer, but wheel of time is very cruel and ruthless. There is no favoritism to that. It is absolutely ruthless. People come, people go, things happen. Newborns you see. I don't want to say old people going. Nowadays I see even young people going. So the wheel of time is ruthless. This is what what she is why she is so ruthless. So many times you have to take a very tough stand if the enemy is tough. It is only, as I told you, God reacts. The divine actually reacts to the situation. If the situation demands you to be very harsh, you see a very Ati Bhairava aspect of the deity. How we approach. So here the situation demands that, because the entire army is coming, this one lady is standing alone here. So that is the reaction that she's shown. And the main thing is, the time brings everything to dust. How when you put grains in the mill, it is all getting powdered. There is nothing beyond that powder. That is the end. You can make dishes out of it, but you cannot make it. That is the end of that. Whatever you put it in the grinding mill, it comes as powdered. In the same way, whatever goes into her mouth, every time she does this, she's the only one who does it. You will not see any other deity, even in its, even if it is Chandigarh, she would not do it, because Kali is the one who can like bring down your ego. Make it a dust that it is useless. Your ego is useless at the end of the day with her. That is what she represents. That is why this again and again, Dantagrabi and all those things like grinding. So all these things are repeated frequently in every alternative verses. You can see that that line is repeated. It is because of that. So understand, like she represents time, and time brings everything to dust. And it is cruel, ruthless. Time is not just the healer as in a superficial way what we see it. We all say time is the best healer. It is not the best healer. Only when you see it superficially. Because with the time, when it passes by, the intensity of whatever you have gone through has come down. When you are very close to any problem, the problem looks very huge. When you start walking away from it, it gets smaller and smaller. It doesn't disappear. We have to understand, problem doesn't go anywhere. Your perception about the problem only changes. So that is what is time. Time doesn't heal. Time is ruthless and merciless, and that is what she represents. That is what her way of doing things is, exactly how ruthless time can be, how cruel time can be. This is, and it brings to the end. Beyond that, there is nothing else. If you lose your ego, what is there beyond that? It is only that what remains is that you have to be one with the absolute. Like when you get powdered, it gets mixed with the ground, with earth. That is what it is. You go back to the source. She makes it to it. She has to be ruthless at some point of time, so she is ruthless. That is it. Okay. This is the only thing that I want to say about it before we move on. So the context doesn't, like we don't miss the context. Because now the next few lines is only killing Chanda and Munda. Okay. Tatho jahasa tirusha.
Tato jahasa tirusha. Tato jahasa tirusha.
Bhimam Bhairavanadhini.
Bhimam Bhairavanadhini. Bhimam Bhairavanadhini.
Tato jahasa tirusha. Bhimam Bhairavanadhini.
Tato jahasa tirusha. Bhimam Bhairavanadhini. Tato jahasa tirusha. Bhimam Bhairavanadhini.
Kali Karala Bhaktrantar.
Kali Karala Bhaktrantar.
Different, huh? There is nothing wrong in that. Bhaktra, Vadhana, both are same. Bhaktra means also face. Vadhana also is face. So, okay. There is mouth. Kali Karala Bhaktrantar. Bhaktra. Bhaktram. Bhaktrantar. Durdarshana. Durdarsha Dashanojvala. Durdarsha Dashanojvala. Okay. Kali Karala Bhaktrantar Durdarsha Dashanojvala. Okay. You have to write the entire thing.
No.
Okay. Kali Karala Bhaktrantar.
Kali Karala Bhaktrantar. Kali Karala Bhaktrantar.
Durdarsha Dashanojvala.
Durdarsha Dashanojvala. Durdarsha Dashanojvala.
Kali Karala Bhaktrantar Durdarsha Dashanojvala.
Kali Karala Bhaktrantar. Durdarsha Dashanojvala. Kali Karala Bhaktrantar. Durdarsha Dashanojvala.
ततो जहासातिरुषा भीमं भैरवनादिनी काली करालवक्त्रान्तर्दुर्दर्शदशनोज्ज्वला
ततो जहासातिरुषा भीमं भैरवनादिनी काली करालवक्त्रान्तर्दुर्दर्शदशनोज्ज्वला ततो जहासातिरुषा भीमं भैरवनादिनी काली करालवक्त्रान्तर्दुर्दर्शदशनोज्ज्वला.
She is laughing furiously. Sahasa athirusha. Sahasa athirusha. Sahasa athirusha. Hasa means smile. Sahasa means roar. Furiously, so laughing loudly in fury. Bhimam Bhairavana, she is making a loud noise. She is terrifying roar, laughing loudly. That time, Kali Karala Vaktrantar. Within her dark mouth, Durdarsha Dashanojvala, Dashana Ujjvala. Her teeth were shining. They were looking terrifying to look at. Durdarsha, terrifying look, a ghastly looking teeth are shining inside her dark mouth. She was just challenging them. See what you did. Everything has gone into my mouth. So she is smiling brightly with her teeth shining so much. Uttaya cha mahasimham.
Uttaya cha mahasimham. Uttaya cha mahasimham.
Devi Chandamadhavata.
Devi Chandamadhavata. Devi Chandamadhavata.
Uttaya cha mahasimham. Devi Chandamadhavata.
Uttaya cha mahasimham. Devi Chandamadhavata. Uttaya cha mahasimham. Devi Chandamadhavata.
Gruhitva chasya kesheshu.
Gृहीत्वा चास्य केशेषु. गृहीत्वा चास्य केशेषु.
शिरस्तेनासिनाचिनत्.
शिरस्तेनासिनाचिनत्. शिरस्तेनासिनाचिनत्.
गृहीत्वा चास्य केशेषु शिरस्तेनासिनाचिनत्.
गृहीत्वा चास्य केशेषु शिरस्तेनासिनाचिनत्. गृहीत्वा चास्य केशेषु शिरस्तेनासिनाचिनत्.
उत्थाय च महासिंहं देवी चण्डमधावत्. गृहीत्वा चास्य केशेषु शिरस्तेनासिनाचिनत्.
उत्थाय च महासिंहं देवी चण्डमधावत्. गृहीत्वा चास्य केशेषु शिरस्तेनासिनाचिनत्. उत्थाय च महासिंहं देवी चण्डमधावत्. गृहीत्वा चास्य केशेषु शिरस्तेनासिनाचिनत्.
उत्थाय च महासिंहं. She mounted on her lion. Devi Chandamadhavata. Adhavata means, I told you, it is rushing towards. She rushed towards Chanda. Mounting on her lion, she rushed towards Chanda. Grihitva chasya kesheshu. She held his hair. She seized his hair. Grihitva, she seized his hair. Shirastena asina. Shirastena asina chinat. Shirastena, his head, she severed with her sword. Asina means sword. Chinat means severing. Sirasthena means his head. She held his hair and with her sword she severed his head. Got it? No. We'll proceed. Atha mundo bhyadavattham.
Atha mundo bhyadavattam. Atha mundo bhyadavattam.
Drishtva chandam nipathitam.
Drushva chandam nipatitam. Drushva chandam nipatitam.
Atha mundo bhyadavattam. Drishtva chandam nipatitam.
Atha mundo bhyadavattam. Drushva chandam nipatitam. Atha mundo bhyadavattam. Drushva chandam nipatitam.
Tamapyapadayat bhumau.
Tamapyapadayat bhumau. Tamapyapadayat bhumau.
Sakadghabi hatham rusha.
Sakadghabihatam rusha. Sakadghabihatam rusha.
Tamapyapadayat bhumau. Sakadghabihatam rusha.
Tamapyapadayat bhumau.
Repeat that.
Tamapyapadayat bhumau. Sakadghabihatam rusha. Tamapyapadayat bhumau. Sakadghabihatam rusha.
Atha mundo bhyadhavattam. Drishtva chandam nipatitam. Tamapyapadayat bhumau. Sakadghabihatam rusha.
Atha mundo bhyadhavattam. Drushva chandam nipatitam. Tamapyapadayat bhumau. Sakadghabihatam rusha. Atha mundo bhyadhavattam. Drushva chandam nipatitam. Tamapyapadayat bhumau. Sakadghabihatam rusha.
So when Munda saw Chanda being killed like that, he rushed towards her to attack her. Mundo abhyadavatam drishtva chandam nipatitam. After he saw Chanda dying, being killed by her, he rushed towards her to attack her. Tamapya pathayat bhumau. Pathaya means pushing him down. Pathayat means making him fall down on earth. So she pushed him down, made him fall down on earth. Sakadghabi hatham rusha. Struck him. In anger, in fury, she used her sword and struck him. Khadga means sword again. Hatham rusha. Rusha is angrily, furiously. She, with her sword, she killed him. Hatham means killed him. Okay. Hatasesham tatasainyam.
Hatashesham tatasainyam. Hatashesham tatasainyam.
Drishtva chandam nipatitam.
Drishtva chandam nipatitam. Drishtva chandam nipatitam.
Hatasesham tatasainyam. Drishtva chandam nipatitam.
Hatashesham tatasainyam. Drishtva chandam nipatitam. Hatashesham tatasainyam. Drishtva chandam nipatitam.
Mundam chasu mahaviryam. Mundam chasu mahaviryam.
Mundam chasu mahaviryam. Mundam chasu mahaviryam.
Disho bheje bhayaturam.
Disho bheje bhayaturam. Disho bheje bhayaturam.
Mundam Chasu Mahaviryam Disho Beje Bhayaturam.
Mundam Chasu Mahaviryam Disho Beje Bhayaturam. Mundam Chasu Mahaviryam Disho Beje Bhayaturam.
Tata Sesham Tata Sainyam Društva Chandam Nipatitam. Mundam Chasu Mahaviryam Disho Beje Bhayaturam.
हतशेषं ततः सैन्यं दृष्ट्वा चण्डं निपातितं मुण्डं च सुमहावीर्यं दिशो भेजे भयातुरं हतशेषं ततः सैन्यं दृष्ट्वा चण्डं निपातितं मुण्डं च सुमहावीर्यं दिशो भेजे भयातुरम्.
So whatever the army that is left behind, Hata Sesham, Sesham means left behind, whatever remaining army, Maha Sainyam, Društva Chandam, they saw Chanda being killed, and Mahavira like Munda also being killed. Both of them were killed, both great asuras, but both of them they saw, and they got panicked, and they started running in all directions. Disho Beje Bhayaturam. Out of fear, they panicked and they started running away. They fled in all directions. See, I will take another 20 minutes. Is it okay, or should I continue it next week? Because I need some kind of an explanation to be given for the next this thing about the mantra, because it will actually take 20 minutes. Is it okay if I do it now or later? Be frank. Next week, Wednesday? Okay. Because I have to give a lot of explanations on Navarna mantra. So, because that is the reason I want you to be fresh.
Not really fresh mantra, slowly we will learn it.
Yeah.
Let's not learn it.
I am not rushing. I am not here because I know the next few lines are very important. I don't want to rush towards them. So that is the reason 20 minutes I told. If it is next week, I will take half an hour.
Okay, that is no problem.
That is okay?
Yes.
Okay, we will finish with this and will recite whatever we have told. It is in between with Munda being killed in number 22. So another 4 lines which need actually more explanations, because I have to explain on certain things before that, because this is considered to be a very important chapter. Okay, so what I will do is I will recite the entire thing. Last time I didn't do the first part of it, first 8. So now I will recite from the beginning up to 22. Okay, recite with me, please. Saptamodhyayah dhyanam Om Dhyayeyam Ratnapithe Shukhakalaphatitam Shrunvatim Shyamalangim Yastaikangrim Saroje Sashishakaladharam Vallakim Vadayantim Kalhara Baddhamalam Niyamita Vilasaccholikam Raktavatstram Matangim Shankapatram Madhura Madhumadam Chitrakodbasi Bhalam Om Rushiruvacha Anyaptaste Tatho Daityas Chandamunda Purogamaha Chaturanga Balopeta Yayurabhyudyadayudaha Dadrushuste Tatho Devi Me Shraddhasam Vyavasthitam Simhasyopari Shailendra Shrunge Mahati Kanchane Te Drushtva Tam Samadadumudyamam Chakrurudyataha Akrushta Sidaras Tathanyet Samipagaha Tatakopam Chakaro Chairambika Tanarim Prati Kopena Chasya Vadanam मशीवर्णमभूत्तदा भ्रुकुटीकुटिला तस्या ललाटफलकाधृतम् कालीकरालवदना विनिष्क्रान्ता शिवाशिनी विचित्रकट्वाङ्घ्रधरा नरमाला विभूषणा द्वीपि चर्म परिधाना शुष्कमांसातिभैरवा अतिविस्तारवदना जिह्वा ललनभीषणा निमग्ना रक्तनयना नागापूरितधिङ्मुखा सा वेगेनाभिपतिता घातयन्ती महासुरान् सैन्ये तत्र सुरारीणामवक्षयत तद्बलम् पार्ष्णिग्राहाङ्कुशग्राहियोधघण्टा समन्वितान् समादायैकहस्तेन मुखे चिक्षेपवारणान् तथैव योधं तुरगैरथं सारथिना सह निक्षिप्य वक्त्रे दशनैश्चर्वयन्त्यतिभैरवम् एकं जग्राह केशेषु ग्रीवायामत चापरम् पादेनाक्रम्य चैवान्यमुरसान्यमपोदयत् तैर्मुक्तानि च शस्त्राणि महास्त्राणि तथासुरैः मुखेन जग्राहरुषा दशनैर्मथितान्यपि बलिनां तद्बलं सर्वमसुराणां दुरात्मनाम् ममर्दा भक्षयश्चान्यानन्यांश्चाताडयत्तदा असिना निहताः केचित् खट्वाङ्गताडिताः जग्मुर्विनाशमसुरा दन्ताक्राविहतास्तदा क्षणेन तद्बलं सर्वमसुराणां निपातितम् दृष्ट्वा चण्डोऽपि दुद्राव तां कालीमतिभीषणा शरवर्षैर्महाभीमैर्भीमाक्षीं तां महासुरः छादयामास चक्रैश्च मुण्डः क्षिप्तैः सहस्रशः तानि चक्राण्यनेकानि विषमानानि तन्मुखम् बभुर्यथार्कबिम्बानि सुबहूनि गणोदरम् ततो जहासादिरुषा भीमं भैरवनादिनी काली करालभक्त्रान्तर्दुर्दर्शदशनोज्ज्वला उत्थाय च महासिंहं देवी चण्डमधावत गृहीत्वा चास्य केशेषु शिरस्तेनासिनाचिनत् अथ मुण्डोऽभ्यधावत्तां दृष्ट्वा चण्डं निपातितम् तमप्यपातयद्भूमौ सा खड्गाभिहतं वृषा हतशेषं ततः सैन्यं दृष्ट्वा चण्डं निपातितम् मुण्डं च सुमहावीर्यं दिशो भेजे भयातुरम्